Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, the product specialist with Camping World, and today we're going to talk really quickly about emptying your gray and black tanks. This is something that's not always the most fun to do, but it is very necessary. So for those of you that don't know the difference, you have a gray tank and a black tank. Your gray tank will be for your wastewater from things like your sink or your shower. Your black tank will be your solids or your sewage. So when we empty these out, it's important, especially if you have full hookup like this, that you keep your valves closed. This is a big mistake a lot of people make. They open them up thinking everything's just going to run right down. And while that is true of your gray water, what happens in your black tank is all the water from your toilet washes away, and what's left is everything else in the bottom of your black tank, and that is definitely not something you want. So usually you want to wait till it's about 75% full, and then you will dump them. As a general rule of thumb, you want to dump your black tank first. Open the valve up just like so. You'll see that go through, and then once that is done emptying out, you will then open up your gray. The reason for that is it just helps wash the lines out a little bit, keeps your sewer hose here a little bit cleaner as well. So I'll go ahead and open that up now. And that's basically it. The only other thing is you do have some basic maintenance for the black tank. We do have another video that is talking about that. If you have something like a wand to stick down your toilet, or if you have a black tank flush, that is a great way to make sure you get some of those solids out after you dump both tanks. All right, folks, that wraps it up. If you have any questions or if you have any other tips you would like to leave, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. Thanks again for watching. I'm Ian Baker, and let's go camping.